chances are you got it from one of them. Nurse, document on left temple, multiple stuck on keratosis on left temple. Let me look for more. Is this tender when I touch? Yeah, it's a little irritated. Some of them are actually looks inflamed. You've been scratching them? Yeah. Oh, also when you comb your hair, it gets irritated. Gotcha. Yeah. Some of them are just have some mild bleeding on them. Yeah. Okay. Let me take a look at the rest of your face here. You wear your sunscreen? Yes. Do you reapply? Yes, great. An hour and a half. Yes, that's right. An hour and a half to 2 hours. Reapply. Yes. You get a few freckles on your left cheek here. There's a spot on your nose right there. I'm just gonna take a look at that. Great, that's good. It's a little blood vessel on your nose. There's rosacea. Okay, lips, around mouth, jawline area. It's a little brown spot here. I'm just gonna check it out here. Very good. Just multiple solar lenticels on face, left cheek on right cheek. It's morphology. Even pigmented, light brown, 1 to 2 millimeter macule morphology. Diagnosis solar lenticle. Yes, thank you. Oh, look like you have multiple seborrheic keratosis as well on your right temple. Oh, I'm sorry. Is that hurt? I'm sorry. I didn't realize that was irritated as well. My sincere apologies. So same thing. When you comb, it gets irritated. I see. Yeah. Let me take a closer look here. Very good. Okay. Nurse, so same thing. Multiple excoriated, scratch, irritated, inflame, stuck on keratosis. Yes, morphology. Diagnosis, yes, irritated seborrheic keratosis or inflamed seborrheic keratosis. So you have multiple seborrheic keratosis on both temples. But the good news is none of them are skin cancers. I call them, well, some providers or dermatology providers, they call them barnacles, but that's a little rude. I call these things wisdom spots. So the more knowledge and wisdom you get, the more of these things these things, wisdom spots. You have a lot of wisdom. Yes, yes. Okay, kidding aside, I can get rid of it for you so that when you come in, it doesn't bother you as much. What's gonna happen? So, there's two things, because they're kind of tiny. Either we could bifurcate, but I don't think this is a good option because although they're small, it may take us a while to get rid of them with the bifurcator, and plus we may have to numb you with injection. So I think the better option for you is liquid nitrogen. Yes, liquid nitrogen. So bifurcator for tiny spots, but liquid nitrogen for bigger spots. So we can spray those things with liquid nitrogen. Yes. So would you like me to get rid of these things for you? Yes. Okay. So liquid nitrogen is very, very cold. The whole purpose of this liquid nitrogen in here, is to create a frostbite. So we may freeze the seborrheic keratosis, this normal skin. We're making it fall off. Now keep in mind, some of them may not completely fall off, but if they do fall off, it takes about 2 weeks. And sometimes it takes more than one treatment, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. But what I typically do is have you come back here in 1 month for me to recheck them and potentially refreeze them. Yes, with liquid nitrogen. Yes, okay. The way it feels very cold. It feels like it's burning your skin. But what I do is I try to isolate with the liquid nitrogen so I don't damage the skin around it. Okay, are you ready? Okay, right. Alright. Freeze 1. Freeze. 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 Okay, do our right side here. Okay. Freeze. 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 You're doing okay? It's not too bad, right? Okay, go up here. Freeze. 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 Okay. Alright. How was that? Wasn't too bad, right? Okay. Very good. Now things to expect for the next 2 weeks. These areas that I froze with liquid nitrogen will be inflamed, crusty, red, mild pain, maybe tender to the touch, and sometimes it may turn black. Blister? No, typically I don't see these things blister up. I'm very careful. My goal is to just treat the spot and not damage the skin around it. So I don't expect it to be blister. But on the face, I lightly freeze. And if we have to refreeze it again, then when you come back next month, we'll freeze it again. moisturize, then dab some Vaseline. Just a very small amount. Just dab, 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 dab before you go to bed. Can you cover it? If you like, if you don't want your pillow to get goopy, then you can cover it, but use paper tape and gauze dressing. So cover with gauze dressing and then paper tape, just like so. That's all you need to do. I'll give you this for you to take home. Yes. Okay. All right. Is there anything else I can do? Let me just double check before I leave here. No, not seeing anything else. Okay, everything looks good. Okay. Is there anything else I can do for you? Do you have any more questions for me? Okay, great. Okay. Do you know what to do at home? Yes, that's right. Vaseline after wash face, moisturize, and then Vaseline. Great job. Okay, well, make a follow-up with me. So before you leave, go to the front desk and make a follow-up with me for 1 month. Okay, well, it was nice meeting you, and thank you so much for allowing